And the race on. Boss Pogi. Fast begin. Nice and easy. Mokai. In between runners. Angelic Boys rushing up. Escape Artist True Amigo. Royal Family. And Doña Erica is running at the tail of the field. Boss Pogi by some 3 lengths, followed now by Escape Artist. Down on the inside is Angelic Boys. Royal Family is racing on the outside, taking the 3rd spot as they race the last 500. Boss Pogi by some 2 lengths, followed by Escape Artist. Angelic Boys down on the inside. Royal Family as they race the last 200. Boss Pogi maintaining a 2 lengths lead, followed by Escape Artist down on the inside. Nice and easy. Angelic Boys. Mokai. And nearing the finish line. Boss Pogi. Number 4. Second, Mokai. Angelic Boys. Nice and easy. Through Amigo. Escape Artist. Royal Family. And Doña Erica comes last.